Hello all, welcome back to the study. Now today we are going to study the lesson or start the lesson heat. Heat energy produces various effect on matter. A substance may change its state due to heat from solid to liquid and to the gas. Okay. So there is a difference between heat and temperature. Now see the difference between heat and temperature. What is heat? It is the form of energy, and temperature, it is the measure of hotness and coldness of the body. SI unit of the heat is joule, while the temperature, it is going to be measured in Kelvin. Heat energy cannot be measured with any instrument but can only be compared. Heat can be compared, while temperature, it is going to be measured with the help of thermometer. Okay. So temperature of an object is determined by how fast its atoms or molecules are moving. कुठल्याही एखाद्या ऑब्जेक्टचं जर आपल्याला टेम्परेचर चेक करायचं असेल तर ते त्यामध्ये असलेले ॲटम्स किंवा मॉलिक्युल्स किती फास्ट मूवमेंट करत आहे किंवा कशी मूवमेंट आहे त्यानुसार त्याचं टेम्परेचर ठरतं. ओके. द फास्टर द ॲटम और मॉलिक्यूल मूव हायर द टेम्परेचर. ओके. नाउ the next is latent heat. Latent, the word itself means hidden. Okay, it is the hidden heat. Latent heat, it is the heat or energy that is absorbed or released during a phase change of a substance. Phase change of a substance म्हणजे काय येईल तर जसं आईसपासून वॉटर तयार होणे आणि वॉटरपासून वेपर्स तयार होणे. इट इज द change of a substance, that is phase change of a substance that is solid to liquid and to the gas. Okay, and latent heat cannot be measured by thermometer. Okay, now see with example we can understand the latent heat with this example. Okay, पण काय केलं ह्यामध्ये एका बीकरमध्ये आईस घेतलेला आहे, त्यामध्ये थर्मामीटर ठेवलेला आहे आणि खालून आपण त्याला हीट देतो आहे. हीट दिल्यामुळे काय होणार आहे, ऑब्वियसली टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज होत जाणार आहे. तर जसं जसं आपल्याला माहिती की आईसचं टेम्परेचर काय आहे -3 डिग्री सेल्सिअस असतं आणि जशी हीट दिली जाईल ॲज द हीट गोइंग टू बी गिवन टू दिस आईस the temperature is going to be increased from -3 degree Celsius to -2 degree Celsius to -1 degree Celsius up to 0 degree Celsius. 0 degree Celsius, it is the melting point of the water. That is, ice is going to be, all ice is going to be melt at 0 degree Celsius. म्हणजेच काय झालं मग हे सॉलिड सबस्टन्सचं लिक्विडमध्ये कन्व्हर्जन झाले. ओके. एक्सक्यूज मी. इथे कन्व्हर्जन झाल्यावरती काय होईल तर एका 0 डिग्री सेल्सिअसला हे स्टेबल होईल जोपर्यंत कंप्लीट आईस मेल्ट होत नाही तोपर्यंत. आणि त्यानंतर एकदा सगळं आईस वॉटरमध्ये कन्वर्ट झालं की पुन्हा आपण राईज इन टेम्परेचर बघू शकतो अप टू द 100 डिग्री सेल्सिअस. अँड देन अगेन इट इज शोईंग टू ॲट 100 डिग्री सेल्सिअस द वॉटर इज गोइंग टू बी showing the change in its phase. That is, water is going to boil and the liquid state is going to be converted into gaseous state, that is vapor formation. Okay, so ice is solid at 0 degree, it shows liquid state, and 100 degree Celsius it shows formation of vapors. Okay, so this is change which is we have seen, that is from the solid to the liquid, the energy is going to be utilized, and this is the latent heat. Okay, now what happens actually, ice gradually melt and this is called the latent heat of fusion. Here we can say the molecule, as we supply heat, the molecules start to vibrate faster and faster. As we have given heat to these particles, the molecules are going to vibrate faster and faster until it vibrate at such a rate that the bonds between them start to break. Okay, here the bond between the water, that is H2O, they are going to be break, and the energy is supplied to breaking these bonds, but the temperature of the liquid once solid does not change. Here the temperature is not changed, but the bonds are breaking. Okay, all the energy is used to change the state from solid to liquid. Here the energy is going to be used to change the form, that is ice is in the solid form, that is solid to liquid. Here the heat is going to be used, and this is the latent heat of fusion. Okay.